last bus stop.
But this one, I don't hate to watch it.
You love it, right?
Yeah, I actually love it.
There's always an
Now your
exception.
fantasy.
Yeah.
Now your own fantasy.
It's every girl's fantasy.
No, apart from
yeah.
But then now your fantasy.
Yeah, because I mean, I want to be happy on my wedding.
Yeah.
You know, the happiness, just basically be engulfed in the fact that you want to get married.
I know. All right, Amaka, we get cook-up day.
Yes,
Before you
cook-up
talk about
day.
your competition.
Before I talk about competition, get one question. Basically, they do the color cocoa of the day, and every time they like suncham. Okay, so I want to search this one to you.
What's
Since,
Sunch, give.
Give.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to give.
Every day we learn.
Yes.
Now. I don't learn.
Okay, so
them.
you fit send your parents go prison if they beat you for wetin you no do.
No.
As in, they beat you. You get one story where we talk. The first story.
She said no.
No, I don't fit.
No matter what they do, no matter how they beat you, so that they wunjure you.
Some lines they will be say, no matter what, don't just cross them. They're just some lines. Like when your friend does certain, like something happened last week. I heard something last week. This person say him and his friend do business. So in friend can invest money. So business no can go as fast as they want to make it go. The guy can't go put them for SARS.
SARS, not
No,
even
no.
police, SARS. And SARS, they're very, very brutal
You
in
don't
there.
feel
Where
big
they
for months.
put-
Once you
just
read
put it,
SARS,
yeah.
that's it.
And now your friend.
But they always talk about money. They spoil friendship.
Even if to say that person dupe you, fact say now your friend. You know,
SARS.
you can call police, harass, but take him to SARS.
SARS,
That's
just extreme, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
so there are
extreme.
just some lines that I think should never be crossed.
Okay, now
I feel no follow them talk for the rest of my life, but not to put them in prison.
Yeah.
And I don't hear any and I know say una go get una own for mind. So if una want tell us what you go do, sharply enter at Talk Wazobia for Twitter. Tell us whether you go fit send your parents go prison if they beat you for wetin you no do.
All right, so we'll talk about your competition. What they do?
Okay, so as last bus stop video don't come out, so it get competition where they do for Instagram and then maybe Twitter and Facebook. My Instagram handle na at Niyola, Niyola. Twitter na at I am Niyola. Then Facebook www.facebook/Niyola. Okay, so Wetin you get do, you go put picture of you and your last bus stop, and then you go come write why then be your last bus stop. But all that thing where you go write must not pass 100 characters.
If it less than 100,
If you less than 100, but
me,
you
not
must not be saying you can write 20. Make it maybe like 90 something. But you must stay Lagos because Wetin you go win a free wedding performance. I go come your wedding, come perform.
Hey,
So it means that you have to
be engaged
Yes.
to participate.
I
to
want to
participate.
ask just now, say if you don't get last bus stop, if you borrow.
So you have to be
So you have to be
Events.
engaged. So if you're not in Lagos, I can still do it, but now you go take care of logistics. I go just come there, come perform for free, but everything else around the wedding you go do. So if you know, say you get last bus stop, just enter for the competitions on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook.
Here is my last bus stop.
my last bus
coming.
stop.
I know.
It's coming. Even me, I define last bus stop.
All right, no
Don't worry, you just get some.
More
He has to
resources.
get plenty of tweets. In fact, it gets one person where they love Niyola for here.
Wow.
You know they talk since. I don't know it's an Amaka talk, but at Die Hard Maven fan in say, hey, whoa, Olivia 2NGO, see Cambridge question, what happened?
That one I hate you that you try.
Yes. And then I'm at OC1 for you. In say, get the kind beating where I go receive. Now the commissioner of police I go call direct for them.
Oh, yeah.
For your parents.
At Ed Taubi, in say today's show they're very, very colorful. Beautiful ladies. Ponwi Ogbonga station. Oh God, your pigeon pass my hand. The same person in can say at Niyola, I am following, do follow back. Thanks. So we need to find that person follow back. And then another person said the video of last bus stop made my jaw drop literally. Dominic Mudabai's appearance though. Wow.
I know.
Another person they talk say at at the EME officials first lady at I am Niyola in the building. Hello Niyola, how do you do?
I am
All right,
fine.
thanks a bunch to all those who don't actually send us messages. Not forgetting Niyola competes today there for you. If you know say you get last bus stop, all you need to do now to take picture of your last bus stop, right?
You and your last
You and your last bus
You
stop.
are your last bus stop and write some things that will interest you most about your last bus stop and make sure say you know past 20 characters.
100.
Jesus.
I am very young, please. I am not old. Make sure say you know past 100 characters. Follow Niyola on top Instagram and Twitter.
At Niyola, at I am Niyola on Twitter, at Niyola on Instagram, at, sorry, www. I am, oh God. Facebook.com/Niyola.
All right, that's how we end today's show. We're going to meet you now tomorrow on top old school lovers. Yeah. My name's Sirimet Uwi. Amaka's today here, Betiana's today here, and then we're still missing Queen B. But we will see you soon. Bye-bye.